Hi guys, you are watching Go IT Center, and this video is going to be very important because in this video we are going to discuss a very important issues, that what type of issues you will face after migrating from Windows 10 to Windows 11, and what type of driver issues you will face regarding the uh, printer scanners. So what type of issues you will face after migrating from Windows 10 to Windows 11, and we are going to discuss their fixes, that how you can fix it. So there are two main issues that needs to be addressed, and we are going to solve in this video. So if you have a old computer or normal computer, if you have 8 GB of RAM, 4 GB of RAM, or even 12 GB of RAM, then you will there is a huge possibility that you will face the lagging issue, or your computer will slow down after upgrading the from Windows 10 to Windows 11. So what type of settings you need, what type of settings needs to be done in this case? So we are going to discuss all these things, and this video is going to be very important. So watch this video till end, and we will address all these issues, and definitely you will feel a great positive impact in your Windows 11 performance. So let's start. So first of all, once you migrate Windows 10 to Windows 11, once you upgrade your Windows from 10 to 11, then first of all you have to fix the paging issue, paging files. So let me show you. Let's say you have to go on to the my properties of this PC, then you have to scroll down, and then you will have an option of domain and groups. Then you have to click onto the hard advanced, then visual check settings, then advanced, and then you will have a paging option. What the paging does basically, in case if your virtual memory is overloaded, let's say if your virtual memory is overloaded, so some space, temporary space, will be allocated from the hard drive or SSD to support the virtual memory. So it balances the performance. So we have to customize it, and we have to set it manually, and definitely you will see a major difference. So we have to click on to the change, then we have to uncheck this automatic, then customize. Then in my case, my memory is 8 GB, so we have to multiply 8 GB with 1024. In 1 GB we have 1024 MBs, so you have to multiply 8 multiply by 1024. So if you have 16 GB of RAM, you have to multiply 16 multiply by 1024. So I have 8 GB of RAM, so if I multiply 8 GB with 1024, so I will get the answer 8192. Give me a second, my connection got disconnected. Let me reconnect it, and we will reconnect. So if we multiply 8 with 1024, the answer will be that, and into the initial size we have to set 8192. The maximum size that is ideally recommended, it would be multiplied with 1.5. So once you have the answer 8192, then you have to multiply with 1.5, and then you will have answer of 12,288. Then we have to type that 12,288. So once you you will get a restart message, because obviously you are allocating your memory and you are going to optimize your PC and performance. So in order to apply the effects, so your PC will be restarted. So you have to restart your PC, and once you restart it, the changes will apply. So before restarting, because we have to do some more settings before restart it, you have to go onto the services, then you have to type sysmain, and you have to stop this service, and you have to go into the properties, and you have to disable it and apply OK. Then you have to do one more step. You have to go into the C drive, then you have to right click on that, then properties, then you have to go into the tools, then optimize, and then you have to change your settings to off. OK, close. So these three settings needs to be done, and your computer performance will be super fast after the restart. So this is all about the performance, and now I would like to talk about the drivers issues. So once you migrate from Windows 10 to 11, you will definitely, your printer in most cases, 99% cases, your printer will not work. We have already tested over the HP printer, we have already tested over the Canon printer. We didn't test over the Epson printer yet, but we have already tested on HP and Canon that after migrating from Windows 10 to Windows 11, we have to reinstall all the drivers. Not graphic drivers, I'm talking about printer and scanner drivers. If you have printer like HP printer, you have to reinstall driver. If you have a scanner, you have to reinstall driver. In 90% cases, you have to reinstall the driver. So I'm giving you one demo as well. You can see that recently in my office we have faced this issue. This printer is basically belongs to my office, and you can see that inside the downloads we have, for each operating system we have different driver. So for Windows 10, for Windows 11, so you have to reinstall your printer and a scanner. So that is all. This is all about today's video, and what type of challenges we will face. Number one challenge, the lagging in performance, and your computer will slow down. So I told you that how you can improve your Windows 11 performance. And number two, you have to reinstall your printer and a scanner, because in 90% cases you will face this issue. So I think you guys really enjoyed this video, and hopefully this video is very informative for you guys. And kindly like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, forward to your family and friends. Stay safe. Bye bye.